Hey subbies, I am here to share with you some wonderful tips and tricks for yard sales. Before we get into this video, hit the subscribe button down below, click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and dare I say fun, because it comes with an adorable carrying case that makes it wonderful for vloggers on the go. And I love using the SanDisk memory cards. They make transferring files from your camera or camcorder to your computer fast, easy, and exceptional when it comes to how intrigued you are to get to that amazing editing that you know you'll be doing. Make sure if you order anything you use my Amazon affiliate links, because if you do, I'll make a commission off of the orders that are made. So check them out in the description box below. Let's get into this video to learn about some yard selling tips and tricks. The first tip I have for you when it comes to yard selling is to do research when it comes to pricing your products. If you use OfferUp or LetGo, search the item that you're going to be selling to see approximately what the prices are that other people are selling that item for, so you have a good starting point to know what to start offering people for the price. Another good tip is to also check on eBay as well, because if you go to eBay and you type in the item that you're going to be selling, go to the completed listings filter, click that, and when you do, it will show all of the listings that have been completed. So then you can see also different price points that people are selling the item that you're wanting to sell it for, so you have a better idea of a price range. And also start out higher than the price point, because people are going to be wanting to negotiate with you. Tip number 2. Clean off the items that you're going to be selling so they will look the best they possibly can, especially if you're going to be taking photos of them for LetGo or OfferUp or Craigslist. A clean and sparkly item is much more eye-appealing and intriguing than a dingy, dirty one. Tip number 3. When it comes to taking photos, take them in a clean area, or even set up a little photo studio for your items by creating an area for the photos to be taken, whether it's a very light colored item on a black or dark background that can make it very eye appealing and pop. Or in contrast, if you're selling a dark colored item, put it on a very light or white background to make it really pop as well, to make it very eye appealing. And make sure you take photos from every possible angle. It makes it much more eye appealing and easier for people to see every single angle of the item that they're going to be buying, to make it easier for them to decide what they think about the item and how they can better judge the item. Without having to physically be holding the item, they can get an idea of what the item looks like and if it's exactly what it is that they're wanting to buy. Tip number 3 is to make sure that when you use an app like Craigslist and you have to list a phone number, I would strongly encourage you to use an internet phone number. I've loved using the app Text Now. It is a completely free application. You get free text messages and free incoming and outgoing phone calls to make it very easy and efficient to communicate with buyers, so then they don't have your actual phone number. So then you can be sure that when you're done selling, you can just simply delete the app and you won't have people blowing up your actual phone number. Genius tip and a $1 million idea. I love using the internet phone numbers, especially for Craigslist. It has made things so much easier and even more fun. I also encourage you to share the post on social media as well. Share it to Twitter, share it to Instagram. Because then more people will see the item and more people will be drawn to checking out your advertisement for your items, so then more people can be aware of what you're selling. And the final tip I have is communication, communication, communication. It is very important that when people message you that you try to get back to them as soon as you possibly can, so that you can be a reputable buyer and a reputable seller as well. So you can be a reputable person to encourage people to buy from you because of you being open and honest with communication and quick with responding. I hope these tips and tricks will have helped you out a ton as they've helped me. Nothing better than sharing wonderful wisdom with amazing people, and I couldn't imagine better people to share tips and tricks with than you, sensational subbies. Make sure you check out my Amazon affiliate links before you go. They're in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and fun, especially when it comes with an adorable carrying case for vloggers on the go. As well as check out the SanDisk memory cards. They make filming fast, easy, and excellent because you can get to the editing in the blink of an eye when you've transferred your files from your camera or camcorder to your computer. You will have never had so much fun editing than when you can get right to it as quickly as you possibly can and enjoying such a durable product. And make sure if you order anything you use my Amazon affiliate links. I will gain a commission from your orders if you order using my Amazon affiliate links. Follow me on my social media as well. My Twitter is Comedy Addict, my Instagram is Comedy Creation. I hope these tips and tricks have been absolutely terrific for you. I really enjoyed sharing them with you. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, subbies, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.